Oh, hello, YouTube, and welcome back, everyone. Well, let's see. Right now, we've got what I was calling an E unit, which it is not. And I had a subscriber let me know I was calling it by the wrong model number. So I apologize and thank you for letting me know that I was using the wrong termination for it. And it's actually running okay. Um, it's still stopping sort of at the switches. Sorry, and what you were hearing was my glucose meter. So right now I'm actually lower than where I should be. So it's just letting me know that my sugar is going down. So uh, kind of a good thing, but we just don't want it to go too low. So it was giving me the warning. But see, like I said, it stops every once in a while right there. But that's not the main reason why I'm on today. Let me slide it over. Hold on. It stopped again. But I have, I was underneath the layout once again. And uh, let's see. And I'm doing a little bit of organizing over here. So I'm trying to clean this area and clean up behind me. But I'm not sure if I showed these two, but in the last um, I had these underneath the layout, and I'm gonna look around underneath and see if I have uh, good use of the cane. But I'm gonna look around underneath. I think there's only two more boxes left. So we have this Southern Pacific coach. It is made by, it's an Athens blue box. It is the Southern Pacific Daylight. And back in the day, this would have only cost $9. So that's one. And of course, that thing stopped again in the same spot. And I do believe this one is not completed. No, it's not. So, and it's the same thing. It's also one of the Southern Pacific, but I'm gonna have to put it together. So we'll have two of these, and I'll assemble it a little later. But yeah, something I should have done already. But I've been busy with other things. Oh, and again, I was rooting around underneath, and these are the little dogs. Dogs, and I do believe there's a couple of cats on here too. Not a big cat fan, but for the layout, that's a different story. So I have the figures for the dogs, and they'll go on the layout all over the place, in different places is what I mean. But I still need to clean this off. I'm going to have to put this together, and we'll run them, see how they do, and you know, we'll have fun. So I want to say hello to everyone, and I got a message last night from Diego, who says, "Hey, we haven't gotten a video from you today or this last week, so making this video for you, Diego." So I hope everyone has a blessed day. Like and subscribe. Come back and see me again. And I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Well, all right. I'm going to have to go ahead and let that thing go some more. But let me get this stuff out of the way. And like I said, I'll keep on cleaning. And again, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Doesn't matter what you say, as long as it's just within the contents of eBay. Your boy is losing it. YouTube. Alrighty. Well, all right. See you later. And bye for now. Take care, everyone. I should have just used the cane.